Well, this is the library at the new school at Bemmerhague, Lower St Ninians, of course. With me, Andy, the headmaster. It really is all systems go, isn't it now?
Yeah, pretty much so. Fantastic the way everything's come together over the summer and over the months previous, of course. And look, standing in this library kind of shows you how things have moved on. About 6 months ago, this was an empty room and a space with potential. It now is a fantastic place for children to come to research and to borrow resources and to learn.
Do you think this will be the last school to ever have physical books in it from the word go?
Good question. I would imagine there'll always be the need for books, no matter what. But having said that, we do have 15 machines, desktop machines in here, which students can use to access the internet, as well as making use of the more traditional library resource.
So, I mean, pretty well it's got what you want, I'm guessing. Being a new place, you have got the latest technology and the facilities you want?
Yeah, we've got some fantastic ICT or computer facilities, including iPads as well as desktop machines as well as laptops. So really is top-notch facility. We're very, very pleased with what's been provided for the students here.
Okay, well, give us a countdown to the opening. What happens?
Well, basically, it's really, I suppose, begins next week. We end up with, we have 2 inset days for staff on the Monday, Tuesday. Then at 8:40 on Wednesday, a lot of excited Year 7s, but also Year 8s and 9s will walk in through the doors here and be welcomed and have their first day in school. Special assemblies, special time with their group tutors, and then from about midway through the day, they'll be actually in lessons on the site. So very much looking forward to that, and I'm sure the students are as well. Maybe a little bit of nervousness, but excitement as well.
And of course, until you get the kids in, you never know exactly what is going to be exactly right, because only kids can do what kids do to buildings, I suppose.
Exactly. I mean, they will discover some of the nooks and crannies that we're not aware of, where things may happen or may not happen. But I mean, a lot of thought has been put into this building to try and ensure that it is a safe environment, and I think that will pay dividends. But yes, until the children are in, you never quite know how things are going to work. So it'll be interesting, but I'm sure it'll be great fun as well.
And you've got this award today from the police.
Yes, this Secured by Design, which is a fantastic award to have. I think we're the first school building anyway to have this award on the island. And it basically means that a lot of thought has gone into the security of the building, whether that means interaction between students, whether it means interaction with the community, or whether it means just ensuring that it's a safe place to keep expensive equipment. So a lot of thought has gone into that, and we're very, very pleased to have been part of that story.